Hi guys, sitting in the car. Nanny's visiting her friend. I've got 2 of these left in the car at the moment. A car and a hippopotamus. I'm going to do the hippopotamus. There'll be 2 versions of the video, a fast forward and a full length. Sometimes I put the fast forward on the front of the full length, depending on how long it is. So there might be 2 separate videos, or there might be a short stuck on the front of the long.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.